Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you for clicking in. So today I'm bringing you this nice equation that I want us to solve for the value of x when given 16 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x minus 20 is equals to 0. So what is the value of x? So before we begin, remember to subscribe, like and comment. So our first step here, 16, we can write it to the base of 4. So this will be 4 squared, all this to the power of x, plus 4 to the power of x minus 20 is equals to 0. Okay, our next step, we are going to exchange our exponent. This is according to one rule of indices. So 4 to the power of x, all this squared, plus 4 to the power of x minus 20 is equals to 0. So by doing so, you can see we've formed 4 to the power of x, which is common. We shall then use substitution method here by saying let 4 to the power of x is equals to y. So where there is 4 to the power of x, we are substituting it with y. So this will be y squared plus y minus 20 is equals to 0. So we formed a quadratic equation. So this quadratic equation, you can solve it using the quadratic formula, factorization method, and completing square method. So let us solve it using completing square method for today. So our first step, we are going to make sure the y variables should be on the left hand side. So we shall take this constant to our right hand side. So this will be y squared plus y is equals to 20, right? Our next step is to ensure the coefficient of y squared is always 1, just as in our case here. So our next step is to take the coefficient of y, which is 1. So 1 over 2 squared is equals to 20. So this is b over 2 squared is equals to c. Our c is this constant 20 and our b here is the middle term, the coefficient of y, right? So y squared plus a half squared is equals to 20 plus a half squared, this is 1 over 4. So let us make this a fraction over 1. So 20 over 1 plus 1 over 4 is equals to, so this will be 2 there, 80 plus 1, which is 81 over 4, right? So y plus a half, all this squared is equals to 81 over 4. Okay, our next step is to square root both sides. So we shall square root this side and square root this side as well. So this square will cancel with the square root, and y plus a half is equals to plus or minus. So the square root of 81 over 4 is 9 over 2. Okay, so we shall then have two values of y. So our first value of y, we are now taking the positive. So y is equals to 9 over 2. I'm bringing this a half to our right hand side, so minus a half, which is equals to 2 here. So this is 9 minus 1, which is equals to 8 over 2. So y is equals to 4. So this is the first value of y. Our second value of y, we are now taking the negative sign. So y is equals to 9 over 2. So the negative, we are now taking the negative. So this is negative 9 over 2 minus a half, which is equals to negative 9 minus 1. So negative 9 minus 1, this gives us negative 10 over 2. So y is equals to negative 5. So this is the second value of y. So we've solved the value of y using completing square method. So earlier on we had said let 4 to the power of x is equals to y. We now have two values of y. So 4 to the power of x is equals to 4, and on this side 4 to the power of x is equals to negative 5. So 4 to the power of x, so this is positive, is equals to, we have negative 5, so this is negative. So positive cannot be equal to negative. So this is a false statement. So we are going to reject this. We shall reject. So on this other side, we have 4 to the power of x is equals to 4. So this will be 4 to the power of 1, which is 4. Our bases are the same. We can equate our exponents. So x is equals to 1, and this is the value of x. X is equals to 1. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Tell us if you have another method to solve this. Bye bye. See you in another video.